Seasons are the four distinct periods throughout the year: spring, summer, autumn or fall, and winter, each characterized by specific weather patterns, daylight hours, and ecological behaviors. But have you ever wondered why we experience these changes? The formation of seasons is a fascinating interplay between Earth's tilt, its orbit around the sun, and the resulting variations in sunlight reaching different parts of our planet. Earth's tilt and orbit. The root causes. At the heart of seasonal changes lies Earth's axial tilt. Imagine Earth as a spinning top, tilted at an angle of approximately 23.5 degrees relative to its path around the sun. This tilt means that as Earth orbits the sun over the course of a year, different regions receive varying amounts of sunlight at different times. When the northern hemisphere tilts toward the sun, it experiences summer, characterized by warmer temperatures and longer daylight hours. Conversely, during this period, the southern hemisphere tilts away from the sun, leading to winter conditions there, with cooler temperatures and shorter days. 6 months later, the situation reverses. The southern hemisphere enjoys summer, while the northern hemisphere undergoes winter. This cyclical pattern is responsible for the alternating seasons we observe annually. The four seasons explained. 1. Spring. Following winter, spring ushers in milder temperatures and increased daylight. Nature awakens during this season. Plants sprout new leaves, flowers bloom, and many animals emerge from hibernation or migrate back from warmer regions. 2. Summer. Marked by the warmest temperatures and the longest days, summer is a time of abundant growth. Trees are lush with foliage, crops reach maturity, and many species take advantage of the favorable conditions to raise their young. 3. Autumn. Fall. As temperatures begin to drop and daylight decreases, autumn signals a period of transition. Deciduous trees showcase vibrant colors before shedding their leaves, and animals start preparing for the upcoming winter by storing food or growing thicker fur. 4. Winter. Characterized by the coldest temperatures and shortest days, winter presents challenges for many organisms. Some animals hibernate, others migrate to warmer areas, and plant growth largely pauses until the return of spring. Equinoxes and solstices, marking seasonal changes. The transitions between these seasons are marked by equinoxes and solstices. Equinoxes, occurring twice a year, around March 20th and September 22nd. Equinoxes are moments when day and night are approximately equal in length. The vernal spring equinox heralds the start of spring, while the autumnal equinox signifies the beginning of autumn. Solstices. These occur around June 21st and December 21st. The summer solstice marks the longest day of the year and the onset of summer, whereas the winter solstice brings the shortest day and the commencement of winter. Variations across the globe. While the classic four-season model applies to many regions, especially in temperate zones, other areas experience different seasonal patterns. Tropical regions. Near the equator, temperatures remain relatively constant year-round. Instead of four seasons, these areas often have wet and dry seasons, dictated by patterns of rainfall. Polar regions. Areas near the poles undergo extreme variations, with prolonged periods of daylight in summer, known as the midnight sun, and extended darkness in winter, polar night. Conclusion. The seasons are a direct result of Earth's axial tilt and its orbit around the sun, leading to predictable changes in climate and daylight. These natural cycles have profound effects on ecosystems, agriculture, and human activities, influencing behaviors and traditions across cultures worldwide. Determining the most beloved season varies across different cultures, regions, and individual preferences. However, some surveys and discussions provide insights into general trends. Summer. A global survey indicated that 39.7% of participants favored summer as their preferred season. Spring. Often associated with renewal and blooming nature, many individuals appreciate spring for its mild temperatures and blossoming landscapes. Autumn, fall. Characterized by cooler temperatures and vibrant foliage, autumn holds a special place for those who enjoy a balance between summer's warmth and winter's chill. Winter. While some cherish winter for its festive atmosphere and snowy landscapes, it tends to be less favored compared to the other seasons. Ultimately, the most loved season is subjective and influenced by personal experiences, cultural significance, and regional climates. According to various surveys and studies, summer is often the most popular season among people worldwide. Research findings. Summer is generally the most loved season. In a global survey, about 40% of participants said summer was their favorite. People enjoy summer because of warm weather, vacations, outdoor activities, and longer days. Spring usually comes second. Many people love spring for its pleasant temperatures, blooming flowers, and the feeling of renewal after winter. Autumn, fall is also popular, especially in places with beautiful fall foliage. Some enjoy the cooler weather, cozy vibes, and seasonal holidays. Winter tends to be the least favorite, mainly because of the cold, darkness, and difficult travel conditions, although some people love it for snow and holidays. So, based on research, the season people love the most is usually summer, followed closely by spring.